2 years ago, I knew nothing about AI. I've since then built a 7-figure AI business doing $150,000 a month, and along the way, I've consulted billion-dollar companies and I've helped thousands of AI agencies start up through my free videos and through my free community. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to get started selling AI this month. It's the exact ways that I would start to sell AI if I had to start over today. I call this the Google Review Agent. Almost all local businesses get a ton of their clients from Google Maps. Someone opens their phone, goes on Google Maps and search for plumbers in the area. So ranking high on Google Maps for businesses is extremely important because that is going to get them more clients and they're going to seem more trustworthy if they have a higher and more 5-star reviews. So when after a customer has finished an appointment, it waits 2 hours after the appointment and then it sends them a message like this. It then waits for a response. If they don't reply, it sends a couple of follow-up messages to beta response, like, did you see my message below? This is basically just to beta response and get them to reply, because then we can find out if they actually enjoyed the appointment or not. And this is where we use ChatGPT, or we use the OpenAI API through what we're using here is Go High Level. We ask the AI to analyze this response. Are they happy with the appointment? And if they reply yes, we continue the flow. And if they reply with no, we send the response as feedback to the owner of the business. The prompt for that looks like this. This user was happy with their appointment, created a friendly response, and sent them a link to leave a Google review. And then we just give it an example response. That is awesome to hear, especially happy you thought the price was fair. That's just an example. And then it sends this review link. And just by installing this flow that happens after every single appointment, local businesses, if they have, let's say, 10 appointments a day on average, they can get free Google reviews a day, which if they run that an entire year, that is 1,000 Google reviews. And that will make them rank very, very high on Google Maps. And to show you that this works, this is Daruk, a member of our school community, and you can see that he sold a Google Review Agent for $500 a month. If you're starting out with your AI agency, then you should consider joining our community. In here, you can get this flow that I just showed you to a template, so you don't have to build it yourself, with a bunch of other agents and help directly from me and my business partner, Oliver. If that sounds interesting, then I'll leave a link for the 1%, which is our closed community, in the description. The second agent that you can sell is the voice agent. From Google Maps, where their number is written, and from businesses' websites, they receive a bunch of phone calls, and that's how a lot of local businesses get business. They pick up the phone and then book people in for an appointment. But it happens way more than you think that the business actually misses these appointments, or the customer calls the business out of hours where they are not at work to pick up the phone. That is just lost revenue. The way you create that is that you go inside of AI agents, inside of Go High Level, you go to Voice AI, and then you create a custom agent. We can choose a voice. I like Christopher. We choose the time zone, the model, GPT-4o is fine for here. And then the initial message can be something like, hey, you have reached Gold Coast. Pro detail, how can I help you today? Then we give a knowledge base for our AI. We can basically train it on our website. And if you don't have a knowledge base for the business already, you just click create new and then upload a website. Then you can click what information you want to get from the customer. If it's a service that needs an address like a plumber, then getting the address is important as well. You can add if you want to send email notifications to admins, and boom, now we have created voice agents that can get lead information and take calls out of hours. This is another example of an agent I created for a solar company. I can now write in my phone number and have it call me.
This is Nectar. How can I help?
Hi, I was looking into solar options. Do you guys offer batteries as well?
A battery for additional storage is a go-to for saving on the bill. We can definitely help with that. Would you like to book an appointment to discuss your options?
Sure, that would be perfect.
What's your name, please?
My name is Albert.
Could you please let me know what type of appointment you'd like to book?
Phone call would be good. And yeah, what is the next available slot?
On Monday, the 8th of December at 4 p.m.
Monday at 4 p.m. is good.
Your appointment has been booked successfully for Monday. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's all for now. Thank you very much. And it even hangs up the phone itself, which is kind of human. And it will surprise you for how much you can sell these kind of voice agents for. This is Brian, also inside of our closed community, and he sold a voice agent for $500 setup and then $600 for a monthly subscription to use it. And the last agent that you should consider building is a simple website widget. This is one of the easiest agents to create. All you do is that you head over to buildmyagent.io, and we can describe whatever agent that we want, or we can just choose from a template. So for now, I'm just going to choose the Google Calendar agent. What this agent can do is that it can book appointments in a Google Calendar. All I have to do now is just connect my services. I'll connect Gmail, and I'll also connect my Google Calendar. All we need to do now is go into the prompt and just change the prompt to whatever service that we are offering. This prompt right now, as an example, is a car detailing company. What I can do is that I can delete the FAQ. I can write, let's say I want to do it for a solar company. And then for the question flow, instead of how's the car looking, any pets or kids making a mess, which is a car detailing company, I could ask, how is your energy bill looking? Does it feel like it has been going up lately? And then it books them in, something like that. And if you want to add additional information to our agent, we can add a knowledge base. We can click import website, and I can then find the company that I'm setting it up for, and I can insert some of their pages using this import website feature. We can then click import, and that's going to add this information to the knowledge base. We click upload file, and then we are done. Now our AI has access to Gmail, so it can send emails, it can book appointments using Google Calendar, and it has access to a knowledge base about the website. I hear you. Energy bills can be a real pain. Going with solar battery system can definitely help bring those costs down and give you more control over energy usage. Perfect. What is your name, email, and phone number? It asks for the name, email, and phone number. Then it finds some available slots using a tool in Google Calendar. I'm just going to say Monday. Now it creates the event in Google Calendar for Monday at 10, and it also sends a confirmation email to the customer. So now we have an AI that can book appointments, and now we can deploy it, and we can really deploy it anywhere. Like for a website widget, we could also deploy it to Instagram, Facebook Messenger, on SMS, on WhatsApp. But for now, let's use the website widget and click continue. That's going to take us to this page right here where we can customize it. I could then, if I wanted to, change the icon, change all of this information, but it will now respond exactly like it did inside of the workspace. And we can take this widget and we can deploy it on a website, kind of like the one that we have on our agency website, which is this one right here. And you can see this one says thinking about installing AI into your business, ask me anything. And this widget is just on our website, just getting lead information. What's even cooler is that this is actually quite valuable for businesses. It just gets them more leads because people visiting their website that has a question will just engage with the website widget and get a response instantly. This was just an example, but you should insert way more pages. If they have PDFs about their services, then you should also insert those. And you can actually sell this for quite a lot of money. This is Daniel, also inside of our closed community. And you can see that they wasn't interested in voice AI booking system, but they would be interested in a chatbot widget. And he's selling it for 1,000 euros for the setup and 500 euros monthly. So I'm satisfied. You should be. That's a really good deal. I find it so cool that you can learn how to create something in a video like this, the one you're watching right now, spend an hour learning it, building it yourself, and then you can go out and sell it to companies for real money. The examples you saw and the people selling it comes from inside of our closed 1% community. This is basically designed to give you all the software. You get Build by Agent, which I showed you. You get it for a 30-day free trial, which is the only place that you get a 30-day free trial. You also get Go High Level completely for free, which is the other software that I used. So we're basically designed it to give you everything you need for one subscription only. I'll leave a link to the 1% so you can check it out and look more into it if you are interested. I really appreciate you guys showing up every single time I post. It would help out massively if you leave a like, remember to subscribe, and as always, have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.